Hello everybody, Mike here. So we're gonna replace the battery on my ride-on car. So first you gotta locate it. For me, it was under the seat. So there's the battery. Unscrewed the brackets. There's a little switch. I kind of took out more than I needed to. Don't really need to do that. But if you take the brackets off, and then with that, you can take off the terminal glue. Use a flathead screwdriver. So there is the battery. Right? Took off the terminal glue. Connectors, red and black. They're ready to put on the new battery. So we have the new battery here, just delivered, same day delivery, very nice. Color coded, so you got the red and the black. Hook them up accordingly. Then you can put on the brackets, put your terminal glue back on, a little extra sealant, right? And then you can put the seat back. So that's awesome. So ready to go. So there it is. Drives off. So be safe when you're doing this. Wear gloves if you need to, and make sure the car is off when you are changing the batteries out. But overall, pretty simple process.